Hello students, first of all I wish a healthy life for you in this COVID-19 and stay at home and be safe. Okay. So in last class I was discussing about the impact printers, and in that class in that video I discussed about the types of impact printer. But today I'm with a new topic, non-impact printer. This is also part of printer. As I earlier told you, there are two types of printer, impact printer and non-impact printer. In this video, I will discuss about the non-impact printer. Okay. So first of all, I would like to clear the definition of the non-impact printer. The printer which do not allow the physical contact between the printing head and the paper. Okay, that means there is no need of striking of the head of the printer with the paper. Such printer is called non-impact printer. Okay, clear? So in this printer, inks are used either in liquid form, in powdered form. Okay, and these printers use laser technology. Okay, and we can also say that without touching to the paper, they use spraying technology to print the paper. So nowadays these printers are gaining the popularity. Okay, and these printers do not produce any sound. Okay, do not produce any sound, and they have very clear image. They can print graphics as well as text, and high definition images can also be printed by the non-impact printer. Okay, so in this category we will discuss about the three types of non-impact printer. Okay, first thermal printer, second inkjet printer, and third laser printer. Okay, so thermal printer, this is the simplest form of printer, which is also called handheld printer. Okay, in thermal printer there is a special heat sensitive paper. Okay, a special quality of paper, a special type of paper are used in thermal printer. Okay, clear? These papers are very special, especially designed, especially made for the thermal printer. Okay, clear? And in thermal printer, this printer uses heat sensation. This printer uses heat sensation to produce the printer to produce the output on the paper. Okay, and the quality of this thermal printer is not so much in comparison to the other two printers. Okay, clear? So a special quality of paper is required, and it uses heat sensation to produce the paper. So we generally see this type of printer at hotels, at bus stands, and the people who come to our home to take the electric bill, to read the electric bill, and at buses while carrying. Clear? And the printout is very poor. Okay, clear? And this is battery operated printer which is very portable. Okay, clear? And it looks like portable calculator. Okay, which can be carried in the pockets also. Clear? Now I will discuss about the inkjet printer. Okay, this is the most common printer we generally use at our home. Okay, inkjet printer. Okay, this printer produces image by a spraying technology. Okay, by a spraying technology. Clear? A spraying technology means what? That means you will see that the image consisting of pixels. Pixels means what? Small dots. Okay, if the number of dots per inch will be greater, the quality of picture will be smooth, or the quality of picture will be rough. Okay, so once again these printers produces image by spraying technology, by spraying ink on the paper. Okay, clear? And they produces high quality output in comparison to the thermal printer. Okay, and we are able to print the color graphics also. Clear? Okay, these printers do not produce any noise. Clear? And the quality of graphics depends on the dots per inch, that means pixel per inch. If the pixels are more per inch, the quality will be clear, otherwise the quality will be poor. Clear? And generally this printer use a cartridge, okay, which is filled with a special ink, okay, and when the cartridge is finished we have to replace it with the another, okay. Clear? And the printing cost is very low. Very low means what? In comparison to the laser printer, okay. So cost of printer is also low and it is used at home, office, okay. Clear? Because they are very cheap. Clear? And one thing is that the cartridge of these printers are costly. Clear? And needs to be replaced more frequently as per our use, okay. Next I will discuss about the laser printer, okay. The printer uses the photocopy technology to the print. Photocopy technology means what? Laser beam passes through and printout is produced on the paper. Clear? That means it uses dry powders. Clear? That means laser printer uses laser beam and dry powders ink to produce a fine dot matrix pattern. Clear? Generally these are used in desktop publishing, DTP. That means high definition images, for producing high definition images, okay. Clear? It produces 6 to 10 pages per minute. That means printing speed is very slow but produces high resolution images. The dots vary from 6 to 1200 per inch, okay. Clear? So these are the special type of printer, and laser printer are mostly used in film industry, in studios, for print out the high definition, high resolution image, okay. Next, one more printer we generally use is 3D printers, okay. Clear? Now the world has got changed. We are very close to the 3D effects. So for printing 3D images, clear, we use a 3D printer, okay. Clear? So objects are created in 3D using this printer, okay. In this process, an object is created by laying down successive layers of materials until an object is entirely made. In comparison, 3D printers are much costlier than the impact and non-impact printers. So now you understood the meaning of impact printers and non-impact printers. I had also made the difference in one video. In second video, I had discussed about the impact printers and their types. In this video, I am discussing about non-impact printers and their types. So you can see there are 3 types of non-impact printers, okay. Thermal printer, inkjet printer, and the laser printer. So that's all for today in this video. In next video we will learn about some other output devices, okay. Thanks.